Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a new workspace on ClickUp. Now, if you look to the upper left hand side, you can see that I have Drew's workspace, right? And if I click the drop down there, you will see that I have access to apps, templates, custom fields, and so forth. And I can create a new workspace by clicking on this button. Another way how to access that, if you click your account on the upper right hand side and go into the settings, you will see when you scroll down on the left hand side, you will see workspaces. And from here, you will see again that you can access the workspace and its settings, or you can add a new workspace directly from here. So from here, I'm going to just choose another personal one right here. And let's just choose support as an example. And let's choose AI tools as an example. And here you can choose if you want to invite someone. For the time being, I'm just going to click on next. And from here, you can choose the type of tools that you want to, let's say, use or be able to integrate. You will always have the opportunity to add that later, so no worries there. But for now, I'm going to just choose, for example, a Google Drive, right? Then click on next. Here, you want to choose the features that you're interested in trying, and that could be AI, it could be automation, it could be whatever it is, right? So in this case, I'm going to just choose the word chat, and let's say AI, and let's say task and projects, right? Then click on next. Here you want to name it. So in this case, the previous one called Drew, I'm going to call this one Little's Workspace, for example, and click on finish. And that's really it, guys. So as you can see right here, I have created two workspace, and that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.